Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely stunning Volkswagen Golf GTD. Stunning metallic grey, front park distance control, absolutely unmarked alloy wheels in stunning condition throughout. Privacy glass to the rear, paintwork metallic is just absolutely popping. Rear park distance control, twin exhaust to the rear. Really stunning condition. Those wheels are absolutely unmarked. Boot area is in lovely condition. Back seats are lovely. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Nowhere on the bolster. Get that with these because they're so pointed, but no, it's lovely. It's been very well looked after. Cam belt's been replaced. It's on 78,349 miles. Just start the car up. It's got automatic headlights, cruise control, flat bottom steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest, 2 keys. Struggling anything to fault it on, to be honest with you. Sat nav, media pack, Parktronic, 3-stage heated seats, winter pack, different driving modes, voice control, pilot in there, different driving modes. At DJH are full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.